How to make silage from SuperNapier or Pakchong. What we do first, we need to chop our silage into small pieces using a chaff cutter. As you can see, this Pakchong was pre-wilted before we brought it here. Then you mix our molar plus with molasses. This is molasses. You take 2 kgs of molasses, mix it with this is molar plus livestock microbes. Mix it with 1 liter of molar plus livestock microbes, and then mix this content into this is molar plus livestock microbes. We mix this into 20 liters of fresh water. This is now this is the mixture of molasses, molar plus livestock microbes, and then fresh water. We use fresh or raw water, not chlorinated water, because we're using microbes. Then mix it well to form a complete solution, and then start sprinkling it on your we're going to do surface silage, what we call surface silage, because we're going to do a large quantity of silage. Now we put this in a knapsack sprayer, and what you see being sprinkled here is a solution of molar plus livestock microbes, molasses, and water. And then you have to compact every time you do like 15 centimeters. You have to compact. Now this is how we are compacting. I think you can see there are 2 different levels. Now we see the reason that's why we compact is we have to expel all the excess air, so that because the process of fermentation is anaerobic, or the process of making silage is anaerobic, and we have to get rid of all the air spaces that are there. We keep doing this. You see how this method of sprinkling is very important, because it saves the microbes that are going to be used. Then when we cover using a silage sheet, these silage sheets are cut from the tube. This is a 800 gauge, though we recommend 1000 micrometer. Then after, we have to cover our silo. See how we are stacking it. We're stacking it in. You need to make sure we don't leave any of our grass or chopped fodder exposed. And then we have to, you see that layering one over the other of the silage sheet. This is very important, because it has to prevent air from, you see that space, has to prevent excess air from entering. Now this is how our silo will be. Now at this point, you can decide to either cover with soil or with tires or with things heavy to keep, because remember, when the silage making process starts, or pre-digestion, it gives it, the silage expands. Now after 3 days, our silage will be ready in 3 days. This is the product that we get. This is the silage that has been made from Pakchong. See how nice it is, made from Pakchong and molar plus livestock microbes. You see its golden brown color. It has a very sweet smell. Now this silage is very nutritious to the cows, because its protein content has gone up. If you took it to the lab and tested, it will have gone up. It has a sweet smell, and now when you give it to the cows, see how they like it. They can't wait to have it. See, this is because it has come out well. You can see even its appearance has to have that golden brown color, with a very sweet scent. It can't be a smell. I had used the wrong word. See how the cows love it. They can't wait to have it. So this is this was after just 3 days. So now this cow here, we're just teaching it. So that's why you see that there's some green. We mix it with a green fodder, because we want that is part of our TMR at the farm. This is the silage that was made. Just in case you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us, or also subscribe to our channel, and then you can ask the questions that you have in the comment section below. We are some Shamba Solutions. We are Molar Plus. Thank you. For any details, our numbers will be attached to the video, and we'll be looking forward to answer all your questions. The silage that is made from Molar Plus livestock microbes gets ready in 3 days. It's more nutritious, it's more palatable. You'll see your cows, you'll save on your feed, and you get more value from your silage. Thank you.